Proper extension management is the key to unlocking the full potential of your site. In this detailed guide, we'll walk you step by step through the process of effectively managing extensions. Begin by logging into your website's admin area. Navigate to the Modules and then Extensions tabs. Here, a diverse array of extension modules awaits, each designed to enhance and expand your website's functionalities. Within the Extensions tab, use full potential of your website by activating, deactivating extensions, importing, and exporting settings. The drag and drop feature allows you to rearrange the order effortlessly, filter through all countries, inactive or not installed extensions, and utilize the quick search option to easily find extensions by name. You can edit or remove any extension from the list in one click. To enable or disable an extension individually, click on the Edit button and choose the required status for the selected extension. Effectively managing extensions allows you to create a website that goes beyond expectations, providing users with a personalized and delightful online experience. Thanks for watching and happy managing.